Hello student, my name is Padvi Deepmala Arun, RBNB College, Srirampur, Department of Chemistry. In this lecture, we also discuss in the last lecture, the chapter name is Elements of Groups 13, 14 and 15. In this chapter, we also discuss in the electronic configuration, oxidation state, then chemical properties and physical properties is over. Now, the next or list point in this chapter is allotropes of phosphorus. In this allotropes of phosphorus, there are two types of allotropes and phosphorus. Here is a first type is a white phosphorus. And second one is red phosphorus. This is the allotropy of phosphorus. Now we discuss one by one. Here is the first type is a white phosphorus. It's the allotropy of phosphorus. White phosphorus. Now it's a structure of white phosphorus is there are a P4 means tetrahedral phosphorus. This is a tetrahedral phosphorus and here is a structure. Here is a 1 phosphorus, 2, 3 and 4. This is the structure of white phosphorus. In this white phosphorus, its angle is a 60 degree centigrade, 60 degree. Now, in this white phosphorus, its a angle is a, here is a phosphorus and phosphorus, means its a bond is a phosphorus to phosphorus bond. Then this phosphorus to phosphorus means here is also phosphorus bond. Then this phosphorus to phosphorus means in this white phosphorus, its a angle is a 60 degree. Then its a bond is a phosphorus bond, means phosphorus to phosphorus bond. And in this tetrahedral structure, this phosphorus is a less stable. This phosphorus is a less stable and more reactive because of it's a less stable, more reactive. Then in this phosphorus, it's a white or waxy solid in nature. Its a nature is a white and waxy solid, means its a structure is a waxy. White solid is a waxy solid in a nature. This is the first point, it's a less stable and more reactive. Then second point, the white phosphorus is a waxy and white in nature. Then third point is this is a glows in a dark. The white phosphorus is a glows in a dark. The white phosphorus is a glows in a dark. Then they are insoluble in water but soluble in a, fourth point is they are insoluble in a water. Insoluble in water but soluble in NaOH. Okay. Then next point is and last point, it is a poisonous. Its a nature is a poisonous. Okay. Here is NUS. I repeat again. This is the white phosphorus. Allotropy of phosphorus means there are of two types of phosphorus, white phosphorus and red phosphorus. It's a allotropy and it's a structure of, this is the first one is a white phosphorus. It's a tetrahedral in nature, P4, it's a structure. This is the structure of phosphorus and phosphorus. This is the angle of phosphorus is a 60 degree. Now, in that phosphorus, it's a bond of phosphorus is phosphorus to phosphorus bond are attached to each other. Then, in that phosphorus, means P4, it's a less stable and more reactive. Means, it's a easily reactive to the another atom. And it's a more stable and less stable and more reactive. Now its structure is a white and waxy solid in nature. This is the white phosphorus is a waxy solid. Now those solids of waxy it's a glows in a dark in color. It's a glows in a dark in color. Now this white phosphorus is a insoluble in water. Means it is a does not dissolve in a water, but it's dissolved in a NaOH solution. This is the white phosphorus. Now we can see the red phosphorus. Now second type is red phosphorus. We know that red phosphorus is also structure is the same. It's a P4 structure and it's a tetrahedral in nature of a red phosphorus. But in that red phosphorus, its a structure is a linkage in form. Means here is a phosphorus. Here is also same phosphorus. These phosphorus are attached to the another phosphorus, and here is also phosphorus. Means this is a linkage form. These P4 phosphorus atoms means red phosphorus are attached to the another red phosphorus. This is the linkage in form. This is also called as a red phosphorus. And in that phosphorus, it's a tetrahedral in nature and linked together by the covalent bond, in which the covalent bonds are formed. Now it is a polymeric in nature. Second point is it's a polymeric in nature. Then third point is it's a more stable and less reactive. It's a more stable and less reactive. Okay, fourth point is it does not glow in a dark color. It does not glows in a dark color. White phosphorus is glows in a dark color, but red phosphorus it does not glows in a dark color. It is insoluble in water. Same here is white phosphorus. It is insoluble in water and it does not in a poisonous. The sixth point is it is does not poisonous. Okay, this is the red phosphorus. Its structure is a P4 and tetrahedral structure. The tetrahedral structure, one structures are linked to the another structure and second structure are linked to the third structure. Means linkage are forms in the red phosphorus. Now in that red phosphorus, in which this is the phosphorus and phosphorus bond, in which a covalent bonds are formation. It's a covalent bonds. Then it's a polymeric in nature. Means in which polymers are formed. This structure is a polymeric in nature. Now in this red phosphorus is a more stable. This is the more stable and less reactive. We know that those more stable, then reactivity is less. Now it's a glows in a dark color. It's glows in a dark color. Now it is insoluble in water. Water, they have not dissolved it perfectly, but they have dissolved in a NaOH solution. It does not in a poisonous, because of white phosphorus is a poisonous in nature, but red phosphorus is not formed in a poisonous in nature. This is the allotropy of phosphorus. Means allotropy of phosphorus, there are two types, white phosphorus and red phosphorus. The allotropy is completed. The next lecture we will discuss in a molecular structure of elements of group 13, 14 and 15. Thank you.